Hello everyone and welcome to another section of our data analysis for SQL. In this section, we'll be looking at SQL Command Structure, right? Now, this is the exact same format or structure that we'll be using to write our SQL queries, right? Now, the first thing we'll look at is the select column. Now the select column 1, column 2. Here you specify the various column names that you want to fetch from the table. Now you write the table name using the from statement. Next, we have the where clause to filter out our table based on some conditions like column condition 1, condition 2. Then we have the group by clause that takes the various column. So you can write global group by column 1, column 2, and so on. Next, we have the having clause to filter out tables based on groups. And finally, we have the order by clause to filter out on ascending and descending order.